If your structure isn't balanced in Autodesk Robot, this is why. You didn't set your axis lines right. Axis lines are the skeleton of your building model, but most beginners skip this step. Therefore, everything they build ends up misaligned. And let me show you how to fix that in less than 5 minutes. Well, there are two ways to access axis line in Autodesk Robot. The first is you navigate to geometry down to axis definition, and this is your structural axis. The second way is you just navigate to the right part of your screen. On the top right, you're going to see axis definition, which is this. Well, on axis definition, there are some things to consider. For example, the position where your axis starts, which is 0, 0, the kind of numbering system you use for your axis. For example, you have 1, 2, 3, we have A, B, C, or a particular value you could assign. Let's say we want to input an axis line. So let's say we are going to click on add. We'll have our point 1. For example, let's input a simple axis. So let's put in a distance of 4 meters. I want to repeat it like 5 times. Click on add. You're going to see that our axis line is spaced by 4 meters, 8 meters plus 4 meters gives 12, plus 4 meters gives 16, plus 4 meters gives 20, right? If the next axis line is 2 meters, you can just change on this distance here, 2 meters, and add. This is for the X. You can navigate to the Y axis and do same. So for example, let's say you want to add the first position. You want to change your numbering system from 1, 2, 3 to A, B, C. Let's say you want to use a distance of 3.5 meters. You're going to put number of repeats depending on the number of repeats you have on your homework plan. So let's say we put 1, you're going to have 3.5. You can input the next distance 2. You can input the next distance 3, and so on and so forth. The Z-axis depends on the height of the project. So once you're done, you're going to click apply and close. So as you can see, this is what we have created as our axis definition for this project. If you did find it interesting and you want to get our full paid course on Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis for residential buildings, well, we are giving a 30% discount off our course from now to November 15th.